Welcome to episode 126 of Apartment Hacker. This is Mike Brewer, and at Apartment Hacker, it is my mission to tease out human potential in the multifamily space. So I want to dispel a myth. 3 or 4 times this week, I have heard this statement. People in the B class, the B minus class, the C plus class, the C class of apartment communities don't have access to the internet. I'm baffled by that remark. They don't have access to the internet. The premise being that we can't do internet advertising or advertising that would compel people to engage in our content because that particular demographic, that particular piece of the population they just don't have access. What? We have everyone in my circle of influence, my circle of being a person on the planet Earth has access to the internet these days. It's called mobile, right? Every person I run into has a smart device that has access to the internet via LTE or GTE or whatever it is. They have access. And guess what? They do engage on mobile. Not only that, I've walked many of those communities in my apartment management career, especially as of late, let's call that the last 18 to 24 months. And guess what? Every single apartment that I walk has a computer sitting on a kitchen table or sitting in a bedroom or sitting on a coffee table, or there's a laptop that's laying on the couch or wherever. They have access to internet. Please, 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 please don't fall into the idea. Don't believe the hype about B minus, B, C plus C's communities not having access to the internet. That's crazy talk. Okay, so my call to action to you today is, if you're still using print advertising, if you're still using trifold brochures or any of that other print material because you think that those people, the people that live in our B community, our B communities and our C communities don't have access to the internet, give that up. They do. They do, through their phone or through their devices that iPads or ThinkPads or Surfaces, they have access. They all do. So don't believe that. Get busy communicating the value of your community via the internet today. Because people in that demographic, in that workforce housing demographic, have access. Take care. We'll talk to you tomorrow.